Good evening, families, and welcome to our open house the 25-26 school year. We truly hope you and your families are well, and we strive to partner with you all each and every school year. However, if you need assistance now or in the future and don't yet feel like you've connected to our school or our resources, please reach out to our student services team or let your teachers know this evening so that they can connect you with any available resources that we have. We'd like to start by thanking you for being here tonight and continuing to support your children and our school. Before the teachers begin the second round of our presentations, we just want to share some information with you about our school and our goals this year.
We will be holding our next SAC meeting November 21st at 10 a.m. and again December 18th at 4 p.m. We are excited about partnering with our parents and the community this year to support the school and increase our family involvement and our student success. If you have an interest in joining SAC, please contact the front office and leave a message with your best contact information. If you would like to become a registered volunteer for Lakewood Elementary, please let your children's teacher know tonight and log into pcsb.org website to fill out the registration information. You can also use the survey link from tonight's event to notify the school. Completing this process also allows you to chaperone for future field trips.
Speaking of the survey, Tom, thanks for mentioning that. We have QR codes that are posted around the school and at the end of the PowerPoint for you to take a quick survey about tonight's event. We always appreciate your feedback and would like to hear from you. Please scan the code with your phone so that we can hear from you as soon as possible.
This evening, we are selling our retro spirit shirts. Please stop by the table to purchase shirts for the school and for the magnet program. Prices are listed on the table. At this time, we can only accept cash for the shirts. Shirts are first come, first serve, while sizes and supplies last. Students will be able to wear these shirts throughout the year to show school pride. Our new shirts will be released at our December family night. I hope to see you all there.
You may have heard that Lakewood's magnet program is thriving. We are the Center for Performing Arts, Health, and Wellness. Some of the benefits to our program that you should already have noticed in classrooms is the use of our flexible seating. Additionally, we've added dance to our school curriculum as a special option during the day. We also have incorporated after-school clubs and a strings program. As a matter of fact, our STEP team even took first place last school year.
Ooh, yes, champions.
Students enrolled in the magnet program also have the opportunity to engage in a variety of choice specials and will have an arts-integrated curriculum along with their core studies. If you're interested in our school clubs or the magnet program, please contact Miss Olson tonight. She will be in the courtyard throughout the evening at all of our special tables.
As the former magnet coordinator, that really excites me. So I can't wait to see more students signed up for our magnet program and taking that journey to Mangrove. So
fantastic.
This year, Pinellas County has embarked on a new intervention journey called Amira to progress student monitoring growth and achievement gaps in student learning in ELA and Dreambox for math. Utilizing intervention tools continues to help us on our journey of our school turnaround and supports our students with our continued positive growth trends. Our school academic goal for this year is to increase our percentage of student grade level proficiency in reading, math, and science across all grades from kindergarten to 5th. Utilize our core curriculum, our intervention programs, our paraprovincial collaborative planning with academic coaches, extended school day, and our after-school programs. We know we can achieve this goal, and I'm very excited about that too.
We pride ourselves on creating a safe school environment, but we need your help to ensure that processes and procedures are being met. Our school uniform includes our khaki pants, our collared shirts, and no logos or any special designs. But we're asking again that you please do not send students to schools in hoodies or Crocs. Students can wear solid color, non-hooded sweatshirts or sweaters if needed. Please support our academic environment by not sending your child to school in a hoodie or a hooded jacket. If you need support with uniforms or these sweaters and jackets, please contact us about Clothes to Kids. Our students have supervision during the day for safety between the times of 8 a.m. and 3:45 p.m. It's really important that your students are not dropped off earlier than 8 a.m. and that they are picked up by 3:45 p.m. as that is when we have supervision. If you have any before or after school needs, please contact the office about our Club program. This year, we have actually started a new and exciting attendance initiative. This program is called Beat the Bell and provides an award to random students in each class each day who are present, on time, and in their seats by 8:30 a.m. We have designated areas for school safety around our campus as well. If your child is a car rider, please be sure to use the car line and remain in your car until you reach your loading area. If your child is a walker and you plan to meet them to walk home, please use the gate by the yellow fire hydrant at the front of the school. We cannot have parents walking up to pick up students from our car lines. Again, this is because we don't ever know who is on the campus if we're not following those directives, and it allows us to make sure that every student and all of our teachers and staff are safe each and every day. If your child's transportation needs change for any reason, please notify the teacher and the front office at least 1 hour before school ends each day so we can ensure that they go home correctly.
It is important for us to be able to reach you at all times. Please make sure your phone numbers and addresses are correct and up to date in focus at all times. Thank you.
Now stay tuned for some information about our Title I program for our Title I annual meeting.
Again, we thank you for coming to this event, and we hope to see you at all of our featured family nights this year. Thank you so much.
Have a great evening. Transportation needs change for any reason, please notify the teacher and the front office at least 1 hour before school ends each day so we can ensure that they go home correctly.
It is important for us to be able to reach you at all times. Please make sure your phone numbers and addresses are correct and up to date in focus at all times. Thank you.
Now stay tuned for some information about our Title I program for our Title I annual meeting.
Again, we thank you for coming to this event, and we hope to see you at all of our featured family nights this year. Thank you so much.
Have a great evening.